Japanese office today. We are honored to meet Harry Tech Company.
Ohayou gozaimasu. Welcome to Japan. We are pleased to have LinguaLink Company here today. We look forward to learning about your product.
Howdy, nice to meet you. My name is Mia from LinguaLink Company. I am the marketing manager.
Namaste. I'm Dar. I'm the production manager responsible for developing our legal technology.
Good morning. I am Sam Senior of the company. I handle national sales and partnership.
Nice to meet you all. I am Ms. Aya. I am a marketing manager of Hereafter Tech Company.
I am Mr. Vilano, business development manager. My job is to explore business, international business opportunities.
We truly appreciate this opportunity to present our product and discuss possible collaboration.
Before we begin, could you briefly introduce LinguaLink Company?
Of course, LinguaLink is a technology company from the Philippines that focuses on communication and innovation. Our mission is to break language barriers through smart technology.
Our company believes that communication is the key to global prosperity. That is why we develop a product that helps people understand each other instantly.
That sounds interesting. Japan is also investing heavily in technology that supports international communication.
Yes, especially with the growing number of international business and tourists visiting Japan.
Today, we are excited to introduce our newest innovation called the LinguaLink Smart Translation Unit. So these earbuds are designed to translate conversations in real time. So when two people speak different languages, the earbuds instantly translate the speech.
For example, if someone speaks Japanese, the earbud translates into English immediately for the listener.
This makes communication easier during business meeting, international travel, and even education.
That sounds very useful, especially for global companies.
So what languages can the earbuds translate?
Currently, the earbud supports 40 languages, including Japanese, English, Korean, Chinese, and Spanish.
That is impressive. Technology like this can definitely help international cooperation.
Konnichiwa, watashi tachi wa nata no product to Nikuyomi ga arimasu.
That is amazing. It sounds very accurate.
Yes, the urban gym advances artificial intelligence to process speech quickly and accurately. Can it work during live conversations without delay?
Yes, the delay is less than 2 seconds, which makes conversations feel natural.
We believe that Japan is a great market for this project because of the large number of international visitors and global companies.
That is true. Japan receives millions of tourists every year.
Many Japanese companies also work with international partners, so language tools are very important.
That is why we would like to collaborate with Carry Tech Company to distribute our products in Japan.
Let us discuss the business proposal. What is your suggested price?
So our proposed price is $40 per unit. So may I say, but the price might be slightly high for the Japanese market.
Yes, customer in Japan usually compare similar technology products carefully.
We understand your concern. If your company orders 1,000 units, you can reduce the price over $35 per unit.
That sounds more competitive.
Hi, that price is more acceptable.
Additionally, we will provide marketing support and product training for your team. The Caritech values partnership that encourage innovation.
We can help promote the urban through online platforms and technology education on the planet.
That would greatly increase the awareness of the product.
If the first batch performs well, we may consider expanding the distribution nationwide.
That will be an excellent opportunity for both our companies.
Thank you for your informative presentation and productive negotiation today.
We will review the proposal with our management team.
We are optimistic about the potential partnership.
Thank you for your time and hospitality. We truly appreciate this opportunity.
We hope this meeting will be the beginning of our business partnership.
We look forward to working together.
Konnichiwa, watan. Thank you for your
We look forward to working together.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Don't nobody else make me feel like. Don't nobody else make me feel like. Don't nobody else make me feel like. Oh, don't nobody else make me.